How to fix Spotify stopping music. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix if Spotify is stopping music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Spotify is basically stopping music to play, it's actually quite simple to fix it. The very first thing that I want you to check is simply your internet connection. So if you're using on browser or mobile, open up your Wi-Fi network settings, check if you're connected to a proper internet connection. Once you've done that, just refresh your browser. If you're using it on the app, just close and relaunch the app. Now just click the three dots option if you're using on browser, go to settings and make sure to clear the cache files. If you're on Android, just make sure to clear the cache files of your application instead. So just go ahead and click on the clear data option. Now once you've done this, sometimes what also happens is that Spotify has a limit to listen if you're a free user. So if you're a free user, you can only listen to X amount of songs a day, which is that they will not let you listen more songs than that in a certain day. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is simply get premium. So you can just click the Explore Premium tab here, and then you'll be able to hit the Get Started option. Make sure to select a plan and then subscribe to Premium, and after that you should be able to help solve the problem. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.